Hey everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to fix screen color in Samsung Galaxy S26. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here tap on display, scroll down and turn on eyes comfort shield button. After turn on this button, change your screen color, go back to setting, scroll down and here tap on accessibility and click on vision enhancement. Scroll down, click on color correction and turn on this button. After turn off this button, select color. After selecting the color, set intensity high and low and go back, tap on color filter and turn on this button. Select color you want like and set opacity high and low. This is how you can fix screen color in Samsung Galaxy S26. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.